In this video, I'm going to take you through getting started with your Things Conference demo kit using the Daisy platform. The Daisy platform provides a set of tools to design, deploy and manage your IoT project. You should have already received a welcome email from Daisy. Once you log in and set your password, you'll be taken to your home dashboard. The dashboard provides quick links to your projects, shows the status of your devices, the locations on a map, and any relevant events regarding the devices or the data that they're producing. The left-hand menu of the Daisy portal allows you to select the Compose menu, where you can design your project, manage the installation and in-live service, and the Publish tab, where you can choose where to send your data. If you've built any applications or dashboards, these can be shown on the Consume tab. We'll start on the Compose menu. IoT devices are deployed within projects. The first thing you'll need to do is create a project under the project menu. If you click on the Devices menu, you'll see your demo kit devices pre-installed. To activate one of these, the quickest way is to select it and move to Test Bench. This will enroll the device in the Things stack, and once your gateway is powered up, your device will start communicating. Clicking on a device will reveal the details. This includes its subscription information and any recent messages the device has sent. You'll notice that Daisy has automatically decoded the payloads for the messages received. This is a feature for any supported device in Daisy. We support around 250 device types today, and that number is growing every week. To explore the full Daisy catalogue, click on Device Catalogue and Add Device Type. You can search by brand or by selecting the kind of sensing metric you're looking to measure. If you're looking for a device that isn't currently supported by Daisy, any customer can request that through the Daisy Aware process by contacting our help desk using support@daisy.io. And we look to add support for new devices within about a week. As an IoT service management platform, Daisy allows you to locate devices at positions within projects. This allows you to centrally design your project, issue tasks to installers using the Daisy mobile app to install and configure devices, and provides location context with the message when publishing into your applications. Locations can be created directly in Daisy or uploaded from a CSV file. You can add as many levels to the location hierarchy as you need. To add a location to your project, click Add Top Level Location within the Project Composer. As well as naming your location, you can also add references and attributes. A reference is something that's meaningful in your application, and attributes can be any key value pair to represent features of that location. Fixed locations have a coordinate on a map. Inherited locations get their coordinates from their parent location, and mobile locations get their coordinates from an attached device. All data messages will include both a site and a location. This allows two levels of location metadata to be assigned to each message. Use the Site switch to designate a location as a site. To specify a device at a location, use the Place Device icon. This brings up the device catalogue for your organisation. You can select your device type, and you can also select any configuration for that position in the project. Any device installed at that location will have its downlink delivered at the point of installation. This has now created the specification within my project for a device of this type to be installed at this location. It's worth noting that at this point we're not assigning an actual device or an actual device EUI, we're just saying the device type. This allows me to design and specify my project before installation. Daisy has built-in task management for users to install devices. At this point, if I hit the Create Tasks button, I'm able to select the devices that I want to be tasked and assign those to users. Any user with the Daisy mobile app will see their task list, be able to select a task and install that device. Device installation is wizard driven. The user can scan the barcode on the device using the camera on their phone. That will identify it in your inventory. That device is then enrolled into the LoRa network server and activated in the project. In this way, you have full traceability for which device serial number is at which location in your project, and that installation event will be recorded in the device's audit history. For more information on device installation and service requests within the Daisy mobile app, follow the link in the video description. All device messages are routed through the Daisy data pipeline, where the message is decoded and it's contextualized with the location metadata. Within the Publishing tab, I can choose what to do with that data. Firstly, I need to create an integration. Daisy supports two types of integrations: streaming integrations, which send the message immediately as it's received, and publishing integrations, which will push data on a scheduled basis. I can integrate through Webhook, MQTT, and natively into applications such as Slack and Node-RED. I can publish data natively into Azure Data Lake Gen 2, which is useful for Power BI, and into an S3 bucket for applications such as Amazon QuickSight. Once I've created my integration, I can attach it to a data set. Each project gets a default data set, but I can also create my own data set by specifying some data conditions. I can also design data events, which are data conditions that then fire an integration. This is useful for triggering business processes based on certain data received. Within the Publishing menu, I can also subscribe to device and projects events. Device management events will alert me when a device stops communicating or has a low battery, and project events are useful for knowing when something has changed in the project, a new device has been installed, or some location data has changed. For more information on the Daisy platform, you can get in touch with us via our website at daisy.io. You can also access our knowledge base and help desk via the question mark icon in the bottom right hand side of the portal. Good luck with experimenting with your Things Conference demo kit, and thanks for watching.